And that one's 5.
Jordan honking at every car.
One's coming. Common denominator.
I tear it up like loose leaf paper. I got drinks on chill.
It's a fucking pizza car. If we don't see a good car, we're watching us not see a car all the way on it.
And now she's on the tip of my tongue.
I know.
That park in the park ones too?
Buzz, buzz. And now I'm itching to scratch. That's that love buzz.
Oh god, there's one coming. There's so many cars. Oh my god.
How many cars are there?
I don't know.
Look at that car.
Try to steal your heart. Never really had could never figure out how to love.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't live.
For every car I send home.
For a second you were here.
Oh, that's both.
Oh my god. I can't do it.
When you was just a young and you looked so precious. But now you grown up so
Just don't handle.
blessing. But
That's all I gotta say.
man, look at you for 5 seconds. Without you being insecure. You never credit yourself. So when you got older, it seems like
Jesus Christ.
I don't see any cars coming our way.
I know, of course they're not going to.
Why don't we just drive around and do this? Try. There's a car. Here's our next contestant.
Okay, well, this one's gonna be a long one.
Blow my horn out.
I'm surprised somebody doesn't get our license plate number and call it.
I know, right? Car.
This is somebody's neighborhood. We're gonna wake people up.
Most of y'all haters, but I put up a wall and they just want paper, so never hate me. I stay hate free, they say they learn from mistakes, but that's why they mistake me. I got some weight on my shoulders. To me, it's
Okay, police live here.
all hell reason.
You obviously don't care.
To the script, I memorized the lines, cause life is a movie that I've seen too many times.
I don't feel like you're going the right spot.
Outside looking in.
Cars. For all these cars. Oh, there's this cute little blue one that gets
Hello, Lisa, welcome home.
And you're gonna stop me from honking?
Oh my god, I love you so much. Home.